everyone, Diabetic here. Today we're playing Grow a Garden. If my sound doesn't sound like I'm playing the game, it's because my mic didn't record when I was playing the game. So now I have to pre-record the entire thing. So I'm gonna try my best to say everything that happened. Okay, nothing's really happening, but little just happened. Yeah, let's see what it is in there, and it's absolutely trash. Oh my god, this is so trash. I'm gonna buy this, place it down here in Blumble Crate. I was just like, look at my mango. And if you're wondering why I'm coughing a lot, or I'm gonna cough a lot in this video, it's because I'm sick. I have some night seed pack, which I'm gonna open, or night seed pack. And I got a mint. People say mint method is OP, but I don't even know what mint method is. So I'm gonna record when something interesting happens. Okay, after 2 seconds, this is what Janu does. And reviews. I just stopped recording. Whatever. I need to test it before the main update. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's the new abuse command. So I'm gonna run in 2 minutes. It's all running. Okay. Skip. Skip the cut. No. Sorry for crashing you. Oh, my own my PC is the best PC ever. Vocap, dojo, feed. Snap. What? You mean snap? Stop. Yo. What? Whoa. That's a black hole. Oh my god. Oh my god! This is fire! I am so late to this update. I accidentally stopped recording my voiceover. So it sounds weird, so it's gonna sound like, I found stop. You know, whatever. I don't care. This is massive. Wowzer. Yo, Sobron. Steve, Ferrari, okay, I want or something crazy happens. Disco. Oh my god. Oh my god, Disco's are like the best. Everything like 100% X. something. I said I could. Maybe it's more easy. I said 7 million. Game more than 11 million. Yeah. Hit back with oh my god, I just stopped and I just speed it like force and something cool happens. No, this happens. It's a play. No, just jam down. Boom! This is thunder. When there's rain, there's thunder. I love this record like shit. Just hit. It's my tomato section. I realized how to record it. Okay, there's something I was only one more from there, so yes. my god. Oh. The best update ever. Okay, this is the new update ever. This is the best one ever. Literally best one. There's no event better than this. Oh my god, honey! Oh my god! Okay, this update is awesome as hell.